Have you ever pondered on how the built environment around you, from the towering skyscrapers to the humble residential homes, came to be? What if you could be part of that creation process, and even better, make a profit from it? Welcome to the world of real estate investing. Real estate investing is a journey. Like any journey, it begins with a single step. Here, the first stride is education. Dive into books, articles, podcasts, and videos to learn about real estate investing. Understand the terminology, the various types of properties, and the different investment strategies. Remember, knowledge will be your compass in this venture. Next, determine your financial situation. Assess your income, savings, and credit score. These factors will play a significant role in your ability to secure financing for your investment. A strong financial foundation will make the journey smoother. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, define your real estate investing goals. Are you looking for quick returns or long-term growth? Do you prefer hands-on projects like house flipping or a more passive approach like rental properties? These are critical questions that will shape your investment strategy. Now that you have your strategy, it's time to build your team. Real estate investing isn't a solitary pursuit. You'll need a network of professionals, including real estate agents, lawyers, accountants, and property managers. A strong team will be your support system, helping you navigate the intricacies of the real estate market. With your team in place, you can start property hunting. Look for properties that align with your investment strategy and financial capabilities. Remember, location is vital. A property in a high-demand area is likely to yield better returns. After identifying a potential property, conduct a thorough analysis. Evaluate the property's condition, estimate repair costs, and calculate potential returns. If the numbers add up, make an offer. Don't be afraid to negotiate. The goal is to secure a deal that aligns with your investment goals. Once the deal is sealed, the real work begins. Depending on your strategy, this could involve renovating the property, finding tenants, or reselling the property. Stay committed, and remember that success in real estate investing doesn't come overnight. In summary, starting a real estate investment journey involves educating yourself, assessing your finances, defining your goals, building a team, hunting for properties, conducting thorough analysis, and finally, making an offer. It's a journey that requires patience, diligence, and a willingness to learn. So what are you waiting for? The world of real estate investing is ready for you. It's time to take that first step and start creating your own built environment, one property at a time. Remember, every skyscraper once started as a blueprint. Your blueprint is ready. It's time to start building.